The washing machine has become one of the most valuable things in the house, because it helps manage our busy lives. So in that case, we need to keep our washing machine clean every time. So here we will show you how to clean washing machine drain pipe correctly in different ways. At first, you need to find the drain. Normally, washing machine drain is placed behind the washing machine. When you identify the drain, you need to differentiate between the drain and the hot and cold water lines. Most of the time, hot and cold water lines are smaller than the drain. How to clean washing machine drain pipe. Method number 1, clean the trap. Take the bucket and then place it under the trap. Then unscrew the tap seal that places the bottom of the drain and removes the dirt and water. If the trap doesn't have a seal, unscrew it entirely and clean it. After that, close that trap and then reconnect it to the drain. Method number 2, using drain cleaners. Hot water. Winter you have to keep watching drains cleaning regularly. Hot water can be one of the best solutions when cleaning. Because hot water can remove soap and scums with hotness, first, pour hot water into the drain slowly, and then you can run more hot water to the drain. If you use hot water when washing, the drain keeps cleaning automatically because of hot water. But it doesn't keep clean the drain thoroughly. So you have to clean the drain at least once a week. But if you are using cold water, you need to clean the drain regularly. Because cold water doesn't help remove soaps and scums in the drain. Winter you have to keep watching drains cleaning regularly. Commercial drain cleaner. You can find many different commercial drain cleaners from supermarkets or shops that sell cleaning goods. This will be the most straightforward way to clean the drain in a minor clog. But if it's a challenging clog, this way is not suitable. Because the chemicals in these commercials drain cleaners can damage the pipes, and sometimes it will not clean the drain thoroughly. So commercial drain cleaners are best for when minor clogs of drains. When using commercial drain cleaners, you have to detach the drain line from the machine. When doing this, prepare to face some hot water coming out from the machine. When pouring the product into the drain, do it directly to the drain. Before that, remember to read package instructions carefully. Follow the instructions and pour the product slowly and directly into the drain. Do not forget to leave the product only minutes that product instructions say. Additionally, try these simple remedies for cleaning your washing machine drain pipe. All details are included in our article. Number 1. White vinegar method. Number 2. Using a drain snake. Number 3. Boiling water with baking soda. And number 4. Using a high-pressure cleaner and more. Want to read the complete article? Check the link in the description area. Remember to reconnect the hose after cleaning the drain. Make sure to check twice that the drain and hose are connected correctly. Do you have any other tips to share? Let us know in the comments below.